Welcome to my channel Study Time with Vasu. Today we are going to learn singular nouns and plural nouns. Noun can refer to one or more than one person, place, animal, and thing. Singular nouns means only one or single. One person, one place, one animal, and one thing. So, what is singular noun? Singular noun means only one or single. One person, place, animal, and thing. Plural noun means more than one. Persons, places, animals, and things. Plural noun means what? Plural noun means more than one person, places, animal, and things. Remember this thing. There are some rules to make the noun plural. There are some rules to make noun plural. Please remember it. Let's see rule number 1. Add s to make noun plural. We have to add s to make noun plural. Here some examples are given and please remember it. Dog, dogs. Cat, cats. Pillow, pillows. Car, cars. Bat and bats. Here we added s to make the noun plural. Now rule number 2. Add es to make noun plural. If there is s, sh, ch, ss, z, x and o at the ending of the word, then we have to add es. Now we will see examples of rule number 2. Fox, foxes. Bench, benches. Potato, potatoes. Glass, glasses. Bus, buses. Bush, bushes. Friends, over here at the end of the noun we can see x, ch, o, double s, s and sh. So we are adding es. Now rule number 3. If before y consonant letter, then remove y and add ies to make noun plural. If at the end of the noun y is there, but before that there is a consonant letter, then remove y and add is to make noun plural. Let's see the examples. Cherry, cherries. Berry, berries. Lorry, lorries. Baby, babies. City, cities. So look friends, here is y, but before that there is a consonant letter. So we are adding ies and removing y. Now rule number 4. If before y vowel letter, then do not remove y and add only s to make noun plural. Now let's see the examples. Day, friends, you can see at the last of the noun, we can see Y. But before the Y, there is a vowel letter. So we added only S and didn't remove Y. Now rule number 5. Drop F or FE and add VES to make noun plural. We have to remove the F or FE at the ending of a noun and add VES. Let's see the examples. Loaf, loaves. Calf, calves. Wife, wives. Here, friends, we can see at the end of the noun, we can see F or FE. So we removed F and FE and added VES. Yeah, you're right. Now it's exercise time. Singular noun is given and we have to make it plural. What is this? It is mug. And how to make it plural? Mm, yes, you get it right. It's mugs. Here, singular noun is given. Bench. And plural of bench, what we call? Yes, you are right. It's benches because at the end of the noun we have CH. So we added ES. Yes, you are right. Now singular noun is cherry and plural form of cherry is yes, you are right. It's cherries because here is Y and before that it's a consonant letter R. So we have to drop Y and add IES. Yes. Now next is brush and the plural form of brush is yes, you get it right. It's brushes. Why? Because SH is there. So we added ES. You are correct. Now next is box. What is the plural form of box? Yes, you got it right. It's boxes. Because X is there. So we added ES. Yeah. Now only one potato is there. Then what is the plural form of potato? It's potatoes. Yes, you are right because there is O and then we have to add ES. Yes, you remember the rules. Yeah. Now next is wolf and there are another so many wolves. So what to do? Here because there is F, we drop down the F and add VES. It's wolves. You're sharp, nice. Yeah, you're good at it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Like and share my videos to your friends and family so they can also learn with me. Bye friends. See you next time.